Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I am here to let y'all guys know that the Sophisticated Ladies Club, we are coming out with a open collaboration, and it's going to be called Valentine's Decor 21. That will be your hashtag and your title. And the month of February, we all know it is supposed to be a romantic month where you and your significant other, get together and celebrate Valentine's Day. So we are featuring for the month of February Miss Penny at Miss Penny's Place. This is her month, and what she wanted us to do, the Sophisticated Ladies Club members, is just me, Robin, Miss Robin, Tamara at Love My Babies Forever, and the lovely Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson TVMG, along with myself, Kel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. So let me get into the rules of the open collaboration. It is very simple going forward. Miss Penny just wanted us to create a centerpiece for Valentine's Day, and she wanted you to show how you display it. Now you can add your special touches to your centerpiece, and she would like for you to not go over no more than 10 to 12 minutes for your video. Be creative, have fun, and the date is February the 10th Eastern Standard Time at 3 o'clock p.m. And once again, you will use the hashtag Valentine's Decor 21. Now, Miss Penny also said that you can display it as far as a tablescape with your centerpiece, like a romantic dinner. Whatever you choose to do, there's not really a lot of rules with it. She just wants you to create a beautiful centerpiece and display it in your video. So that is really what we're doing for the month of February. We hope that everyone will join in and, like I said, get creative, have a lot of fun with it. And if you don't feel that you're able to do a centerpiece, you can also just do a tablescape, with your favorite Valentine items. It's whatever you want to create for this open invite. So I hope to see you on February the 10th, New York Eastern Standard Time at 3 o'clock p.m. Make sure to go over and check out all the other lovely ladies that are in the Sophisticated Ladies Club. Check out their invites. They may have different things added in their video, but we just want everyone to, to come together and join us for this lovely Valentine's for the month of February. And like I said, just have fun, and we will see you on February the 10th.